quarterly abosome na bia no ye beba Ghana fo anim na ya bebu akonta de akere wo se mo 11 na mutuatua ma ye no sika ye nie ne sika na ye nya ye no se wahu se ofa nkokwan ye ya eka ho se wahu se nkola ni bie nwuma bie we ya ebi no government ban on the tax ban on aka say tax we dey member be ma ho account if they are not serious about it. If they are not serious about transforming Ghana, government ban on the tax beba abechiro mu say tax na me dey ba no beba abechiro mu NDC for omokofa condom tax by did they tell you why? Did they come and explain to you say tax is a utia mom 2012 aba and the omede aye ni ntimuntia condom tax my? No, they didn't. Mote ya ne se condom tax ya ba. Me say NDC apen so akuafo mo koto se kan no crocodile market. Mo koto no na tax da so NDC for be kire am the previous year sika omoje ye dia na omede aye nti no omede crocodile tax ya to crocodile market so ana. They didn't show you that. NDC for to make sure policy a fair there na me say me we feed that because the World Bank for website no so cheye. Now maybe a drop prop minimum be of mass our finance ministry no to me omoko chro sa de no. Now o to me say o kwaji sika every World Bank wa. Come on fa bibia ye be ye na just say correctly. Now sebe Ghana ni bebunu Ghana ni and you see a 2GN, okay, a 2GN because ya ka bibi say ya de ya ona anye o ya yenja o fire utie ya de ya ona anye o ya yenja o fire NDC NPP say yenya eye jane ye ndwuma ye die ene bekire say yenya eye how we show to the people that would now come to depict say asonkrofo we omodwene Ghana ho asonkrofo we do they really want Ghana to go forward? Do their policies transform Ghana? Ato Forcing and all of them came and lied to us. Yeah, Gigi tax, yeah, Gigi say 17% VAT, excess duty. Not the mighty one, Kotra dia. What call World Bank ya will say, Sebio, we so man, Monfancheme. Medi fear menini woman. And man, a woman, no, Sebio, Monfancheme. Se omuchima. Na omo fede kura so omo be mu bi ehu so omo echima sabe oni ni kunu na tifio but saa de no nko ade e ba omo ho a e ye omo fede pa ompe kura so obi be hu kura se saa state no e no wom muntie ni ye oba bi wo ho a ne fra ne boso me time no so a ebi kura wo ho a wono ankasa no ni kunu on ne tifie kura no e ya na ompe so obe den obe like obe hu ni amebisa na ye koji sika anti Cynthia e de abebo Ghana ho bra ye de Ghana education for nkola me hu ye first wo ba wo ye ne bra no ye na yi a won ya ne toto ye pad sebe mente sa awufo bi e kwakogina sebe obi e ni maka kire ne say o mentumi anto pad because first answer na pad me bra no na ye wa monsen wo ho mo bo sebe mo fan che me sere mo forgive my graphicness but we sometimes have to remind people where NDC took us, how low they sank us to. Wasi abaning yeshe. Okay, university we engineer. Automobile industry is gradually being built in Ghana. Okay, university engineering. You need electrical engineers and all these things when you are assembling cars to connect and put things right. Nyame adawro ma yese physical beji fa card beji loan na call KNUS na kosu engineer uwia Toyota for hye cars ko pay adwuma wo ho VW before hye cars fa sa wo engineer degree no fa ko pay adwuma wo ho we business legon, we accountant legon, yes, besiye. Toyota for here, sales people, anomu here, financial analyst, financial sales strategists near the other. Ain't we school now, we go to university no, so bam fast so. We automobile industry ni free wa, yes, the BBA bar planting for food and jobs. Obi say, wabeye si chire factory. Wo wie chire cube ba kukura ma. Sakora man bisu ba ya, osmeye kumfi juice. Kumfi juice na ne de yanum na ebro chire 3 cedi. Eku juice. Egbe efiai. Ekufu ado ne nsa anu nyuma, eboni bebia. Ne sent no ajibe bia Bawumia digitization no ajibe bia o ende NDC for crown no ni na aka yetrimiti yesi yenkum Bawumia mabobodam nyame ada rumenti inshallah obebe bidimo so na watuatu akwanya amawie skadi na mesi abe kakra NDC wo mu abe mo po because mu nye skan wie bio akromfo na okojilo na wankojilo nkra se bia o de behwe teenage mutilation emma say be omu mutilate omo asemu anase emma nkola niama enu ntina mamma nkola ne ntumi enform ho nhye yimo o twrogu so say ye kojiska de akoto pad e de amagana nkola because omu ni pad ya omu ntumi nko school. Hey, are you people kidding me? And then the Ghana ni ba obebo padia aje se government na ko amanone ako bobo sia no de abeto pad sebe na wabeche sanitary pad e de ama Ghana student yansa no mako school e de intervention no bogus intervention. Do you know why they were doing that? Because that time no hanatete say mo kai sa ni India e deal no nya no hanatete foreign away those times. Omo ekonya India fo bi omo ye diaper. Ene parts ne sa ne amaninti no. Ye koye den, ye ni omo ko sign ne be buga na. Ne ya sesa eska no. Ne ye de akoto pad. Na pad no so ye ba, ya betena so. Yes. NDC for the Ghana. Bebu no awo ye oba or the udin shemu. Ekoji iska say ye de koto pad abechicha amamu because mun ni pad ya mun tumi nko school ade e ba ma ho a ono ane papa na na maame kura sometimes on pese obete ofere but ye kochiro ni pete mu kakra na omo pedi enti and you rather hate a you start government. Kantanka pape wa hihye cars ya ne cars anko ebruchiri da under one district one factory and then Kantanka the cars ekwa ebruchiri ekufu adwei wonsa anu nyuma ebon be bia one year say town kra ye mbe enye free education ko why opa bia school ne ko hwe ndisi fo mbegu here for chum ye go ase ye go free education. Free education 419 na abeku Santana. Why na mama say no odim etu no odi jimi. Ya bo pe ko hwe abeku Santana kromufo. Ye na ya ye free education mu matchop. Enne ye benya abeku Santana so bebre in the next 4-5 years to come. Onu so be ko media school ebesua de na wabetena chemu se general na wabetena chemu to sa abeku Santana. Nye free education anko betumi. Na mo say 419. Meboa. Na mo say 419. Na wo bebunu. Ye two for near catch the wa we won't because we lazy cocoon spoon feeding in kwan now pe so why would the wa jene be ye adwuma na critical thinking ni ho enti obi a sorry a no abeka bibia kire no wasom no wadi mesi akufu ado ne Bawumia omo nsa no nyuma no is evidence everywhere. Eye ni yare enye yefunuka. Utie eye ni yare enye yefunuka. President Ben Waba will employ more young people who know the government than we. Look at the people at his office. Look at our information ministry, both the leader and the deputy. Look at them. Young guys. They say I started in an abi no more any you know more she board so said they be ya be soon idea no know how things is going so that a time will come the youth can be built. Must say there be no more yet. No more yet. Young coffee you mo be camera. You mo be cap na jino pokwa jima no mechi education funds in the name of my na ne boss nka nkyere say we kura na de mebe ko position en fa me ho metwam afi de twam na afi de wo ankasa wo twam na afi de wo de ko position afi na wo se de wo ba wo de beba. Let us be vigilant too, minion. Let us be serious and vigilant. The kind of leadership Akufo-Addo ne Bawumia render to Ghana no, it is unmatched to none. The kind of leadership they be on the year corner. There be you. Mama yen sign you will. Franco share page in the mommy. Share page in the mommy. Maybe yes is here. Why? Maybe yes is here. We a second half in it. Maybe yes is here. So no so can say, or no so the policy or person here one district, one factory. Me patron ke ade boni ana. Ena obeye no so no one can say abayin kwa besi factories. Okay? In the policy it said say government in conjunction with private sector ABC factories. Okay? Government in conjunction, okay, would what? Would now be building these factories. Now, one more thing about it. So NSA, when the government, and I say, let me put it in the, I'm like, that would be a long process of explanation. Me PBB a practical. Me PBB a practical a ye ni na ebetumi also okay we dey yampa. We dey enyampa. Okay. Let me take something like planting for food and jobs. That wouldn't be ideal. Factory no so kan ebi mo beka say na okay we dey funny say o wa de na say ewu ana say ewu na say o de nkwa bemu a Sadi ne tumi nyane. The essence ne says one fan nkwane ngumu ankade no nyane anameboa. Enti no government in conjunction with private sector. Yahu private sector be a struggle. Untumi entua ne taxes untumi entua ne sei. Untumi emfa nipa. Aban se sade a ye beso wasene na ade na ewu no ya mana revival. Shouldn't you be happy about such a government that can revive a dead situation? As government, you are able to revive dead situations. Enti factory say gugu ye ni no. Say ya papa Mahama no ne NDC for. So mu to me revive nkroma de ni mu sex kra. Anka by na Ghana ye ni sex factories ana. Factory say gugu ye. Say ya papa Mahama ne NDC for. So mu to me rebuild ye every finance bi kra ma mienu kra ba existence ya. Anka mo aye ana. Anka nya Ghana for ne be ye adwuma ho. But only vision no. Or you're visionless, or you're incompetent. They cannot think outside the box. Their education was chew and poor. Anything that has to do with reasoning, critical thinking, they lack it. It's a fact. Akufo-Addo aba. Okay? Or the policies revival factories. And now I know say over 107. 209 you said then factories and within 6 years yet me see ewo Ghana Gayhawk na egu Gasem na egugu And I'm say Safo Kantanka, the Kantanka product, the brand. Ya Juma so ne call baby. Ibrahim Mahama. Wo ni na no person or cement factory. But when ya buy the conditions ye conducive enough for him to do that. Ono ankasa ne brother ye president po when to me and situating